Itong question ni Trisha. As you renew your contract, it's the perfect time to look back on your career. What was the most hurtful comment you received in the past when Beanie was just starting out? And how did you manage move past that?
Siguro po hindi siya precise na sinabi. It's more on na-hurt kami before every time ginagawa kaming kakatawanan. Tama ba ito? Kakatawanan. Basta ginagawa kaming katatawanan. Parang, siguro gets pa if yung content namin before is talagang funny, ganyan. Pero kasi nung trainees pa lang kami, nung nag-start na kaming i-release sa public, mahilig kaming mag-song cover, dance covers, or sing and dance. And people would make fun of us, like talagang ha-ha-ha na caps lock, ganun. So, feeling ko sa point of view namin girls, grabe, tinatawanan lang nila kami pero hindi nila alam yung sacrifices and pinagdaanan namin to be part of this group. Siguro may part sa amin na sana lahat ng taong nakakilala sa amin, alam yung journey namin, para hindi kami tatawanan na lang ng ganun. Or if hindi kami kilala, which is valid kasi hindi naman talaga kami kilala noon, siguro just ignore us, hindi yung literal na gagawin mo kaming like that. Nakakaano lang sa feeling na grabe. Ito yung tingin nila sa amin, pero nagpapakita kami ng talento na pinaghirapan namin.
Did it make you